Hello everyone, welcome to Krakow video series. In today's video, let's have a look at the media release for CAT 2023. So after the CAT 2023 exam, IIM Lucknow released a report. This year, 2.88 lakh candidates appeared for the CAT exam. Last year, we had 2.22 lakh candidates who have given CAT. So there is a 28% increase when compared to last year. That is a significant jump with about 3.38 lakh registrations. Coming to the test centers, last year CAT 2022 had 300 test centers in 150 cities, while in CAT 2023 there are 375 test centers spread across 167 cities in India. So that means a 25% increase in the test centers. As you know, the duration of the test was 120 minutes and 160 minutes for PWD candidates. The time allowed for each section was 40 minutes. Now if we see the individual breakup for each section, for VARC, we got 24 questions. In DILR, the total number of questions are 20 and in quantitative ability, there are 22. So in total, we have 66 questions. So guys, now we want to hear from you. How did you give your CAT exam? So please drop your comments below in the comment section. For also, check the slot-wise analysis and expected score versus percentile for every slot in the description below. So that's it guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. And as always, feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. We are here to help you on your MBA journey. Until next time, happy studying.